So I chose to do my final project on should college be free? What I wrote was, with college debt rising, tuition continuing to go up, what makes America think that college should still have a price tag? With the average student debt being over $30,000 and increasing as we go into the following years, if one were to look at the statistics on how people are affected by college debt, I think it would be an eye-opening experience. If we look at the pros of free college, we could go on for hours about all the great ideas. I'll be listing three of my favorite ideas of free college. First off, we have more attendance. With more people attending college, we would have a better and smarter economy. Second, we would have little to no student debt. Lastly, we would have a happier and healthier nation. If people did not have to pay for school, then why would uh, if people did not have to pay for school, then they would be less stressed and more focused on the fact that they need to study and earn their degrees so they could help society. Meaning, if they have the ability to go get the degree, then people are going to try and go get that, especially like their AA or their bachelor's. That way they can help out an economy. And then another thing would be the fact that if more people were attending school, people would be more involved in their communities and their alma maters. And it's kind of like high school, like people, there's parents involved, there's grandparents involved, like everybody just kind of surrounds, like me personally as my football team, like when we went on to like our state run for football, everybody was there to help out and everybody was there to like be a part. On the other side, we have non-free college, so meaning you'd have to pay for it. There are also benefits to people paying for school. One point of view would be the fact that the degree is more prestigious when the people must pay for it, meaning if you pay for it or everybody has to pay for school and you stick out those 6 7 years to get your master's degree or bachelor's degree or more than just like an AA, then you're going to look better to jobs. It may also help people with their master's degrees get jobs because there are not as many people with that possible degree. So, like, if you go get a master's degree in business management, then you're going to be more likely to look better to an employer because you have that degree. Another point for non free college would be the fact that taxes would not have to be raised. If we have free college, then taxes are probably going to go up because you're not paying for college and college just isn't a free institution. With free college and no student loans, taxes are bound to go up, but when paying like we are now, they would stay where they are. So, like I just said. Lastly, I think that people having to pay for college that makes them try harder in school and when they get to college because they have something behind it. So like in high school you would like as of right now everybody attempts to get a 4.0 or whatever their grade point is of and they try and do that so that they can get into their schools they want. So for me it was like Michigan or Michigan State were the ones that I was attempting to get into. In Michigan you really don't get accepted unless you have above a 4.0. Or like State I think it was like a 3.2 was their average acceptance. So like if you pay for it, then you have something behind it.